എൻ്റെ പേര് ശ്രീമാലി തരൂരാണ്. ഐ എം ഫ്രം കോയമ്പത്തൂർ. ബോൺ ആൻഡ് ബ്രോട്ട് അപ്പ് ഇൻ കോയമ്പത്തൂർ, കേരളക്കാരനാണ്, ഫ്രം തൃശ്ശൂർ. I'm a medical practitioner. I had an attack of COVID, suspected COVID ആണ്. Then about 4 months after effects of the COVID, I really suffered. Then body bloat up ആയി. I was not able to walk and all that. പിന്നെ ഒരു 6 മാസം കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് I went to an Ayurvedic hospital. കേരള ഒരു ഫേമസ് ഹോസ്പിറ്റലാണ്. 1 month I was there. I followed strictly the diet. Still നടക്കാനും കൂടെ പറ്റിയില്ല. Then after ഒരു 6 months കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ആദ്യം വരും ശരിയാകും പറഞ്ഞു. Then it became bad only. Then I lost hope. പിന്നെ എനിക്ക് ഈ സ്ഥലം വന്നത് സുരേഷ് പണിക്കർ വന്നപ്പോൾ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ആയിട്ട് he said, you come, I'll see that you're cured പറഞ്ഞിട്ട്. And Prashant was more than a brother. He said, Chata Veru, we'll come. He came, he was my next room. And when I came, ഞാൻ നടക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല, മാത്രമല്ല dragging, left leg was dragging. And എവിടെയെങ്കിലും ചുമര് പിടിക്കാനോ ഏതോ അടുത്ത് കിട്ടുന്നതിന് പിടിക്കാൻ പോകും. Now I am able to walk. Thanks to Sanjeevani. It's my second life. Really happy. Going to the world with more confidence. What I went through was really bad. Mental agony for my family, everybody, that I was a misfit. Now I'm going back with more vigor to do more for society and more happiness. Our confidence, it is not a hospital, it is a home. It's like നമ്മുടെ സ്വന്തക്കാരെ മാതിരിയാണ്. It's a beautiful experience. Everybody should experience it. That's fantastic. I got my life back. That's more important. I was crawling, now walking. There's a big difference. And I know it. And thanks to the team and Dr. Kichu. My namaskar to all of them.
Myself, Dr. Reba Vikramadityan. I'm wife of Dr. Shrimali Tharoor. I'm basically a drug discovery scientist. So, you know, when we decided to come here, and big thanks to Mr. Suresh Panikkar. It was his influence and Mr. Prashant's influence, a family friend who influenced us into coming to Najro, this place, Sanjeevani. And basically, you know, we came with a very open mind. And now we are going with lot of great memories, actually. My husband, when he came, he had a big problem in walking. I mean, he used to literally drag his feet, and now he is almost ready to run a half marathon. Actually, you know, we were joking that he should be preparing himself to run a half marathon. I mean, that's the kind of change we are seeing. A big thanks to Dr. Kichu Ravindran. I mean, though she, you know, looks like a little girl, but you know, the wonders she could do, and the secretary here, and the team members here. I mean, fantastic. It's like a home away from home. Actually, you know, we felt so much at home, and the place is like a visit.
I'd add one thing.
Must visit because it's the ambience here, you know. Okay. I mean, thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Pranamams to everybody here.
I'd add one thing. Tamil പറയും കടുക് ചെറുതാണ് കാരം പെരുസത് ആൻഡ് വിഗ്രഹം ചെറുതാണ് കീർത്തി വലുതാണ് പറയും. Even though Kichu is young and all that, her service is fantastic. My namaskaram to you.